Are you struggling to find time to maintain your garden? You're not alone. Many gardeners face this challenge as life gets busier. But what if I told you there's a simple tip that can help you maximize your gardening time and keep your plants thriving? The Life Pro tip today is to create a garden schedule. Start by allocating specific days and times for different gardening tasks. For example, dedicate Mondays for planting, Wednesdays for weeding, and Fridays for watering and maintenance. Stick to this schedule as you would with any appointment. This tip works because it turns gardening into a routine, making it easier to stay on top of tasks. When you know exactly when to do each task, it minimizes procrastination and allows you to enjoy your garden without overwhelming yourself. You can also adjust your schedule based on seasons or types of plants. For instance, in spring, you might need more time for planting, while summer could focus more on watering and pest control. Flexibility is key. However, be cautious. Life can sometimes throw unexpected events your way. If you miss a scheduled task, don't stress. Just reschedule it for the next available time. The goal is consistency, not perfection. By implementing a garden schedule, you can transform your gardening experience. You'll spend less time worrying about what needs to be done and more time enjoying the fruits of your labor. Happy gardening!